Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between the COWSAR Ice Maker and the DUMOS Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise to deliver quick and efficient ice production, but they come with different features and price points. Let's explore what each has to offer and help you make an informed decision for your home, kitchen, or outdoor adventures. When it comes to price, the COWSAR Ice Maker is significantly more expensive at $679, while the DUMOS Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option priced at just $69. This stark difference makes the DUMOS a more appealing choice for those looking for an affordable ice-making solution without sacrificing essential features. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production capabilities, with the COWSAR producing 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, slightly edging out the DUMOS at 26 pounds. They both can produce 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, ensuring you won't have to wait long for your ice. This makes both machines suitable for parties, gatherings, or everyday use. In terms of features, both machines come equipped with a self-cleaning function, making maintenance a breeze. However, the DUMOS offers an additional advantage with the ability to produce 2 different ice cube sizes, giving users more versatility. The COWSAR, while compact and portable, does not specify this feature, which may be a deciding factor for some buyers. In conclusion, both the COWSAR and DUMOS ice makers offer great features for ice production. The COWSAR is a premium option with a higher price tag, while the DUMOS provides excellent value for those on a budget. We hope this comparison helps you choose the right ice maker for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.